Off-Roadigans Custom Fabrication. 4x4 shifter. Bleep. Fuck off. This is how we're gonna roll. No, we're not doing that. I just want this. Just this.
Just that?
Yeah, Hurst style. Hurst shifter.
You want a Hurst shifter?
No, I do not.
I don't care.
Put
we
it
could,
on there.
Fuck that. We could thread that
show
up
them
and
what we're
fucking
doing.
put. No, we could just straight put that right back on. You still got your little mini shifter.
Yeah, brother. Okay.
Dude, it'd be Chevy style like that, short.
See the crescent wrench?
Okay.
It is a spud wrench.
This is what we're gonna do.
Spud's going on. Bam, look at that. That's
Right
sexy.
there.
Sexy.
Probably
We're gonna weld it right to the side, all ugly like that.
Yeah, right.
No,
Just
we're gonna
lay it-
micrometer the depth
No, we're
of
gonna
this,
fucking just
micrometer
weld it
depth
down
of
the
this.
sides right here, right in here and here.
I know, right?
You don't want to do that? You don't want to do that? Why don't you want to do that?
so hideous.
Well, that's the way to do it. You want to be redneck, you say you're redneck. Oh, I'm so redneck. No, make it nice. Nah, fuck that. Well, how tall do you want it? Dude, do you want fucking Ratfink style?
That would be pretty impressive, huh?
That would be
so easy to shift. Clunk.
Yeah, we could totally do it Ratfink style.
Anyways, we'll get back to you when we have it on. All right, part 2 of the custom shifter. Y'all want to know how to make a custom shifter? Well, I wasn't going to show you, but I'll show you what it looks like.
Ooh, that's nice. I like the way that feels. Dude, you got the mechanics fidget spinner.
See what happens when Theron sits in a Dodge? Falls in love.
I'm not in love.
He's in love.
I just appreciate it.
Yeah, buddy.
It's like I appreciate a fat girl.
Rooster saved many lives. I've yarded
Rooster
many-
saved my life, so
I've yarded many people out with this fucking
I gotta
thing.
show Rooster some love. I gotta show little Rooster a little bit
But
of love. Just
that's
because
it,
it's a
man.
Dodge doesn't mean I'm gonna, you know,
So-
Dodge lives matter.
So what we did is we cut the shifter at the 22, got the depth of the, or whatever you want to call it, welded it on,
Diameter of the shaft.
diameter. And I like it. And y'all want to know why? Because I'm a fucking plumber and I use crescent wrenches every day.
Air day.
And we're gonna do the same thing on this once I fix all this shit.
I don't, dude. I put a grenade on the end of mine once. That was a bad idea. All I had to do was drop it. I shipped it in a second.
Yeah.